How to create a Calendly link. Hello guys and welcome to this new short tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your Calendly link. It is very easy and very simple. Follow up the tutorial and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go to calendly.com, sign into your account, and you will see here the dashboard. Now, simply click on the favicon right here, which contains the letter of the Google account. For example, in my case, click on it, and simply we are going to click on My Link. Click on it, and here we have changing your Calendly URL will mean that all of your copied links will no longer work. Now we have here the Calendly link. You can go ahead and delete that and put, for example, whatever you want. For example, here, Smith test, and here we have it. This is unavailable. I'm going to put a number 23, for example, and here we have the, as you can see, the link. You can go ahead and copy this link, this whole link, and make it or give it to your friends or also to the invitees. This is for the link that is special for you. You can go ahead and get the links for your calendars by simply clicking on share on Ali on any Calendly that you have made, or you can go ahead and put the booking. Click on share, and here we have the link, the custom link, and also the Calendly booking. Here we have it. Copy that link and get it away. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.